What?
I can't wear it today because I don't have someone.
I don't have someone too, but I wear it because, you know.
I want that one. Where did you buy? Kasi I have, but like a dress one, you know.
Hi, Neo. I don't know. Because my friend buy for me, Anne.
Ah.
Anne.
I wish I have it. I have that
Victoria's
also.
Secret.
It's easy to remove.
Yeah, you can just, and kawas. She's eating egg, guys.
Yes, his egg.
But you should eat only one time. Not
Actually,
half.
only one day I eat.
Okay.
Naswallow ko lahat ng egg.
That's good. It's better to swallow everything, you know. Split or swallow?
Kind of. I never swallow eh.
It's better to swallow it.
Yeah, because
Just-
it's a vitamin A until Z.
Exactly.
Ang ganda ng ganyang outfit mo tapos ang kanta mo
Careless Whisper?
I see red. No, I see red.
I didn't hear that.
Sasayaw ka pa ganon.
Yes, of course. I need lip balm, guys.
Where are you going? Only at home?
No, we went to the beach.
Oh my God. I'm
Yeah.
planning maybe in my off, I will gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna,
And we
because
do
I'm waiting
a lot
for
of
my,
activities.
I'm waiting for my underwear from Shein.
That's why.
Yeah.
We do a lot of activities, volleyball.
I should to wearing yung swimsuit talaga. Because only one piece I'm doing it. So this time, I'm gonna wearing the two-piece.
Really? That's nice.
Get too dumb and cheap lying for me. If you thought that I just let this go, I see
Parang kambing eh.
Comment na yung mga bebde, dito, mga chupon.
Anong comment?
Chupon-chupon, tas bouncy-bouncy.